Hi guys, I wanted to share with you today what I made using 3 sheets of Tim Holtz industrial cardstock. I had this bright idea to do the 100 Things project. I would use up all of my 12 by 12 cardstock. I don't think I'm going to make it. I really don't think I'm going to make it. That paper pad is growing. It's expanding. I don't know. It just looks like it's growing. But these come in a strip on the one sheet of paper. Well, it's like 2 or 3 sheets, I think. But anyway, they're in a strip, and you just cut the strip and then cut the size you want. If you want just a little signature booklet, or if you want a trifold or whatever, you'll cut 2 or you will cut 3, depending on how you want to do them. I cut 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 out of that, and there's still plenty more of these I can cut out. Then I took these, they come in a strip also, and there's 5 to a row of these. So I cut them into 2s and then just use the center one or the extra one for, you know, just a little tuck spot or whatever. But I look at them as I'm cutting them to see which one I want. So this is just a little notepad. Easy to stick in your purse, take it with you to the grocery store, whatever. Your husband even stick this in his shirt pocket and it doesn't look too crazy. So it says 5, 6, 7. Some are not complete. 8, 9. These are the photos that are in there, and I just use this one as a journal card. It says 10. This is just a blank piece of paper turned into journal cards, and these are stickers from one of my scrapbooking subscriptions, so I just put them on the paper. 11, 12, 13, 14, and for 15, these are the Tim Holtz pictures that are also on the sheet with the same one, and I just put them in the Tim Holtz frame. So it's 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Here's another one of the booklets. It's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. These are just the little journal cards that were left in the center. 29, 30. This is just one piece of the scraps. Oh, you wouldn't believe the scraps I have still to use. 30. So that's 30 sheets. 30 pieces so far out of 3 sheets. Then I made this, and this is 31, and it's just a little folder with ephemera in it. So this is 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. And get back in the pocket. Look, you came out. Oh, I know what it is. It's got pocket on that card. 37 is another one of those little booklets. 38. I made this one with a tuck spot and another one of the little booklets here, and a place on the back with 3 little tags. So that was 37. One of the pictures of the journaling cards. 38, 39, 40, 41, oops, 42, that's the little booklet, 43. 43 pieces out of 3 sheets of paper. You know, I don't know about you, but This packet over here of paper doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. It looks like it's growing on me. So, 37 things, but 36. I lost count already. Anyway, I'm going to continue with this pack, but I'm counting this whole thing here as my project number 4. So my 100 things projects, this is definitely number 4. Okay, guys, I'm going to continue working. This paper pad's going to go away from here. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.